is Janet with Try It Like It, Create It, and today I am here with a Christmas decoration from CutCrdStock design team. What we have here is a Christmas tree with gold stars. So after you have cut the SVG file on your cutting machine, I want to take you through how the folding works. So you're going to start at the bottom and you're going to fold that center piece towards you, like so. And that does a little bit of a weirdness because there's no other fold. All right, so then every other piece, you're going to do the same thing. All right, so you just want to lift it and fold that center piece towards you. Okay. Take your time with this. You don't want to tear. The way you can tell that you have the right piece is that there's no score on the outer edge. Okay, so you just want to fold those in towards us. Every other one. Now as they get towards the top here, it gets a little bit trickier to get that to fold, and that's okay. You can, curl the paper if you need to get in there, but basically just want to get that fold to happen. And you can push from the back gently. All right, so that is the first step. Now, the next step is the alternating pieces. They're going to fold backwards, all right? And they are going to fold on the edge away from the tree, as well as in the center away from the tree, all right? So this is what we're starting to get, is to get it to open up. So every other one, you're going to take it and make sure you're folding on that outer edge as well. And you can see it's starting to take its dimensional shape here. So now this is finished, unless you want to add the finishing touches, which would be to glue these stars up on top. Okay, and what I might do here is actually cut my green one off because it's a little loose. All right, and then I'm going to glue my stars more directly onto the green piece. So let's take some adhesive. I think wet adhesive here will work the best. Put a little bit there. It's probably more than we need. Get that on like so, and then I'm going to flip it over and glue the second one to itself. So all I have to do here is line these two up. And there we have our finished Christmas decoration. It's a little hard to get in screen here, but I will take some still shots to show you.